welcome to the next video of Francis World, but today it's just the sis. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Make It Mine Lip Balm Kit. And as you see, it comes with so many different colors and flavors. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so it's taped on here. Okay, so here's everything. Everything. Okay, so here we have everything. It comes in such a big box, but it only has this bag. Here are the flavors. This is bubblegum. This is a lip shimmer. Ooh, I want to use that a lot. This is cotton candy. And this is tropical fruit. And here, I think these are the tubes to put your lip balm in. That's where you make it. It comes in purple, blue, pink, orange, and green. All beautiful colors. Okay, so now let's start with making the lip balm. So, first what you have to do is get your wax base. So, this is what it is. It looks white like this, and it smells really good. And put 3 of these spoons of wax base into the measuring cup. So, here I've already got one, so here it is. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this to just scrape it off, so it gets inside. Okay, and here comes the second. One more. Make sure it's nice and flat at the top. And just scrape it off. Okay, I don't know why it's not going in. It's just sticking to the sides. Okay. And that's the first step. Okay, the next step is to add a few wax chips. Here's what they look like. They're very small. They look kind of like, but I don't know. They're just like super small and white. Okay, so here. So you have to add approximately like 33 to 37 of these in your mixture. Well, it's not really a mixture since there's only wax base on it. Okay, so the more wax chips you add, the more it becomes harder, your lip balm. And the less you add, it becomes softer. So you can add 33 to 37 of them. So I'm just gonna place it on this piece of foil, and we're gonna speed it up while I count. How much was that? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so I added in all my little wax pellets. I added in 33 of them since I wanted my lip balm to be pretty soft. So now, with adult supervision, add a bit of boiling water in a bowl or a cup, just a very little bit. Make sure it doesn't overflow over the cup. And then you just put the cup on top, and then you can cover it with a piece of foil and leave it to set for at least 5 minutes. Okay, so here's about how liquidy it should be. So here's the mixture. It's not that liquidy, but it's good enough. Just mix it a little to make it look a little more liquidy. And yeah, okay. And now, here comes the fun part. You're gonna add 6 to 8 drops of any flavor you want. So now that I added 6 drops of tropical fruit, I'm gonna add just about 3 drops of cotton candy since I don't want it to be too overflavored. So I'm gonna do that. Just 3 drops, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfecto. Okay. Oh my god, I almost forgot about the shimmer. You need to add the shimmer part. It's a lip shimmer. It makes the lip balm look nice and shimmery. Okay, so add about 1 to 2 drops of this. I'm gonna add 1. I don't want too much shimmer, but I'm gonna add some. And 1. Okay, perfect. Okay, now that I've got all my colors and my shimmery lip thing, whatever it is, in, then now I'm gonna mix it with this. Now, the fun part, smell test. Oh man, this smells so good. It also smells like lip balm, of course. So good. Okay, and then I'm gonna pour it into my, I think it goes best with green. Okay, so I have to pour this in immediately since it's already boiling hot. Okay, so I can pour it in now. I'm gonna put it in the green one since, I don't know, is the yellow closer to orange or green? I'm not really sure. Okay. Right in there, get in there. That's why I have to do it immediately, or else it's hard to put it in. Okay, so now that we have it ready, wait for it to dry, and then here we go. It looks nice, doesn't it? Let me try it on. It turned out so nice. Okay, so don't think we're done with this yet. I mean, we are pretty much done, but not exactly. Since here, you can add a label to it. So you can add a name to your lip balm. So I'm gonna do it based on the flavors I used. So I have one that's cotton candy and one that's tropical fruit. So since I used the tropical fruit one more, then I'm just gonna do based on this. I'm gonna do tropical blast. So I have a Sharpie here and I'm just gonna write it down on the label. So here I go. I'm gonna go ahead and write tropical blast. Okay. Okay, here. Tropical blast. Perfecto. Okay. Nice. And there. Our lip balm is officially finished. And now you can put it on all day. Keep your lips nice and healthy. So this was a really fun experiment, you know, making my own lip balm, having fun. But the only thing was that it's only just, I would rate this like an 8 out of 10 because it's a nice set, of course. But the only reason why it's not 10 is because it would take 5 minutes to melt down the wax, the liquid. It said that it would take 5 minutes only, but for me it took a lot longer. So I suggest that you can put it in the microwave and it will melt a lot faster. And yeah, that's why it's 8 out of 10 and not 10. But it's still very good. I had a fun time with you guys too. Anyway, that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed. Remember to please like, share, subscribe the video. Hope you liked it. Bye!